Meaning of dualist.
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 Dualist. Dualist refers to the belief that there are two fundamentally different substances or aspects of reality, typically mind and matter. Dualism holds that the mind and body are separate entities with distinct attributes, and that they interact in some way. This philosophical position has been influential in various fields, including theology, psychology, and philosophy of mind. Critics of dualism argue that it presents a problematic account of the relationship between mind and body, particularly when it comes to explaining how mental events can cause physical ones. Ultimately, the debate over dualism remains a lively topic in contemporary philosophy.